I want to review some reasons why it's important to check existing reviews, and they've come up kind of a little bit in the question and answers through Ella's section, through Janelle's section, but these can provide excellent examples for how to conduct your own systematic review. And that can be not only in terms of kind of getting ideas about the eligibility criteria, getting ideas about the relevant databases that you might want to include in your search strategy, getting ideas of the breadth of terms that folks use, and just kind of reading through the methodology and seeing how it's done in your field in a space that's close to or adjacent to what you want to do. And it can also give you the opportunity to really find some relevant articles from related reviews and make sure that you're including some of that core literature that you might want to include, just kind of completely prior to your searches. It can also show where your review fits in to the conversation at large and what contribution you're going to be providing with the systematic review. You know, what are the other systematic reviews that are out there and where does mine fit in? And it will also help you if there is another systematic review that has already been published on your topic. You know, do you want to still do a review? You might be able to if the existing systematic review is indeed an older systematic review. You know, you could continue that process of reviewing the literature kind of as an addendum to that review. Or maybe there is methodology issues with that review that you would like to amend and find out, like, if your systematic review will match theirs or with some further developed criteria.